TMCच्या ट्राजन डिमेलोन ह्या विशयावयल्यान सरकाराक धुवन काढला। प्रोविजनल लायसनाचे कल्पनेचेरय ताणे पर्यटन मंत्र्याक उजरावन काढला। सनबर्नाचे कृपेन पॉलिटिकल ठग बोल्सां भरून घेतात, ट्राजनाचो आरोप। सनबर्नान तरणाट्यांचे बळी घेतल्यात। सुरवे सावनच ट्राजन डिमेलो ह्या आयोजना विरोधात कोर्टात धाव घेता। कोर्ट ऑर्डरी दिता, पूण सरकार कोर्टाकय किकोत करता आनी लोकांचे बळी घेवपाक मेकळे जाता। TMCचो राष्ट्रीय म्हणयारो ट्राजन डिमेलोन आरोप केला। पर्यटन मंत्र्याच्या विधानाचो समाचार घेत ताणे ताजो राजीनामोय मागला। आयकात ट्राजनांक।
हांव 2014 सुटी हायकोर्टान वयता। एवरी टायम फ्रॉम 2014 आदले दिसा सकाळचे परमिशन करतात आनी म्हाका त्याच दिसा वयचें पडटा 28 आनी हांव सांगत आसा की दिस इज अ न्यूसन्स इन गोवा and that is established by the High Court today. I got my earlier judgments, so I don't go into that. Let us go to the latest. So here also, everybody knows how people were drugged, died, 2 innocent girls died. I had taken up that matter also before the High Court. It was looked into, but yet this government doesn't care. And it is for whom? Neither the state government gets revenue, the proper revenue. So who is getting the revenue? Now there is a reaction from the tourism minister to say that this judgment is criticized all the departments. It is not his department. What is the tourism, the political thug जे आसा तो कितें सांगूंक सोदता? सगळे डिपार्टमेंट इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल म्हणून मुख्यमंत्री काढतो ते तरी बोला. He should have the guts, the fellows talking about this, that all the departments are involved, used to call this chief minister Pappu and is working under him. Now I will tell you, the order of the High Court at page 36 is very clear. It is declared that the petition dated that the permission dated 28/12/2022 issued to the respondent 10, that is the EDM management, for holding the Sunburn Music Festival from 28th to 30th December 22 was illegally issued, and consequently the said permission was illegal and liable to be cost and set aside. Was this permission given by all departments or it was given by tourism department? This permission was given only by tourism department. And therefore, there is no other way but he should immediately tender his resignation or he should be sacked by the chief minister immediately for having had such a mega event which the court upholds as illegal. It's not my charge. The highest court of this state says so. And the man is saying it is not his department. The tourism minister has to explain what is the meaning of provisional license. Are provisional license given to our Goan youth who want to do something? What is the meaning of provisional license? When the court has said that all norms by the committee should be sit down and decide, not only sit down and put the rules, but to see that the rules are implemented. That is very important. You can put a lot of conditions on the paper. What has been found and what is being granted, first of all, permission was granted illegally. And then what is happening on the street is totally, absolutely illegal.
GOA365 खातीर विलियम रॉड्रिक्स आणि ओमकार देशप्रभू.